And here you can see we have also plastic cover stuff, which we need to remove. Okay. Okay. A lot of people don't know that there is under this plastic stuff a screw, you know, and this will couch an issue on the case when you try to remove the cover from the other part of the cover. As you can see here, these are different parts: the silver covering and the black covering here. So when you try it to get out, then it will not get out because the screws are inside, you know. And so this is a very important thing. Good. Then let's get out this damn screws. Don't look at my key. Good. The magnet is not strong enough, you know. So let's try it with this one. Okay. So this one will not get out. But why? So I couldn't get out this screw here, but I think it will get out from self when I try to remove the black part from the another part here.